How to use Monday.com for marketing. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to use Monday.com for your marketing campaigns. So we're going to head over Monday.com, sign in for an account, and as you can see we're going to be on the admin dashboard. Now what we're going to do next is going to be heading over our workspace. We can go ahead and create any workspace related to marketing, or we can go ahead and use the recent ones that we use for any projects. Basically, if you're going to create a project within a workspace, you're going to use marketing for it. So we're going to add an item for it, and this item is going to be a board. So we're going to use a template and type in the name of marketing. So we're going to have, as you can see, marketing, email marketing, onboard plan right there, product marketing, lunch. Depending on the type of marketing that you want to do, you're going to have a specific board. For example, we're going to use a marketing strategy right there to our board. Now I'm going to wait for it to add the board template. You're going to see that it is going to have all the predefined columns that you need into your specific board or your work. So here, as you can see, we have the initiative or the item or task name, the goal from it, the brainstorm. As you can see, you will have a brief, priority, the type, timeline, and the budget. This is going to be more than enough to set up a marketing strategy. So you can see that we have these sub items, or you can go ahead and have this plan. You can have also some specific examples added from the commentary section here or the description section, and you can go ahead and share the access for your marketing team. You need only to have everything let's say organized well in here, and everything is going to be on hand. So that was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.